Roman candle thingy-mabobber time. Fountain. Ew, it's colorful and pretty. Oh gosh, you better step back. That's pretty.
Sun's blowing right in your face.
Woo! Oh gosh. It's gonna kill me. Ew. Oh gosh. They're fighting. They're gonna kill us. No. No. I'm innocent.
The wind's blowing them right that way.
That's not safe. That's why I gotta stay far away from fireworks.
Okay, you're done. You're not posting that either.
Yes.
You're on private.
Oh. I'm not doing anything. Oh. Hi. Oh.
That's a good one. That was a good one. We should have got 3 of those instead of 3 of those.
Well, you never know. I can't never remember
Well,
from
those
year
2
to
we
year.
get every year, as we know. We like those 2. But I couldn't remember which one was better. Well, I like the way it started out.
These things stupid.
Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to.
Would you shut up?
Let's do this rest of
Shut up. Shut up. You're not going to post you with you screaming and hooping and hollering. That's
I'm
enough.
not. E. What?
Not going to wait till it gets a little bit darker?
No. Stop.